The teacher has now assigned the activity. The teacher should have printed the set of instructions on the activity itself, how to access the activity once they're in Seesaw, and the barcode to get them into Seesaw as a student of that class. So I am going to show you what the student sees and how they would complete the activity. So I'm going to select I'm a student. I'm going to hover over the barcode. It is going to log me into my class. It says student account. Then I'm going to come over here and it says activity assigned and how to access it. It says to click on activities. So that's what I'm going to do. The activity on top is usually the one that the teacher wants us to complete. So that's the one I'm going to focus on. I have the ability as the student to watch the activity being done so that I can go ahead and complete it. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that so that I can watch it and I have a better idea of what I'm doing.
Hi class, today I rolled a 5 and a 3. These two are my factors. So I'm going to now explain my sentence here. I know that 5 times as many as 3 is 15. My number sentence shows that I've showed 5 times 3 equals 15 is the same as 5 times as many as 3 is 15.
Now, I've finished watching the video, so I'm going to X out of the video. And then I'm going to come over here and it tells me that I need to click or tap on add and response. So I'm going to click on the add response. Then it tells me that I need to select which student I am. I'm going to be Ava today. Now I'm going to use the instructions that my teacher gave me of what steps I need to take to complete this activity. The first one says roll the dice. So I'm going to pick up and roll the dice. Okay. Then it says to take a picture of the dice that I just rolled. So it has a picture of the camera so I can visually see that there's the camera. So I'm going to pick it up. I'm going to take a picture of it. Now, if I didn't like the picture, I could delete it and do it again, but this picture seems to work perfectly. Now it says to use the T tool to label the factors and the product. Now, my teacher was nice enough and she wrote the example that I watched on that video, and she labeled that the factors have hearts, the product has an O or a circle. So I again have the example that's in front of me so that I don't have to get out of what I'm doing to complete it. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the T. I'm going to write the number 6. Then I'm going to move this where I need it. Okay, that looks good. Then I'm going to hit the T again and write the number 3. Again, I'm going to move this to where I need it. Okay, that looks good. And then I'm going to hit the T again because, again, this is multiplication. So I need an X. And then I'm going to place that here. And I might want to move this over since I do have to put the product. Okay. Then I'm going to hit it again. There's my equal sign. And place that here. Probably can make that smaller too. And then one more time for the answer to the product. So I've got 6 times 3, which is 18. Okay, now I have labeled my product and my factors, and it says use the microphone button to read the sentence. Now the sentence is right here, and this is the one that was used for the example that the student just watched. So I'm going to do myself a favor to make this easier. I'm going to write the numbers that I'm having to use so that when I go to read it, I don't have to redo it because I messed up. Okay, so I'm going to hit the microphone and record my sentence I'm supposed to read. Yes, I want to allow. 6 times as many as 3 is 18. And then I hit the pause button because I'm done. It's asking if I'm done. I'm going to hit yes. Now, I can play it to make sure that it says exactly what I need to and that I don't have to go back and fix it. So let's go ahead and listen to it. 6 times as many as 3 is 18. Okay, that sounds perfect. It's exactly what the teacher has asked me to do. So I'm going to go ahead and hit this green button. And it has sent my teacher, under my name, the video that I created. And then at that point it's her job to do what she will with it if she needs me to redo it or fix it or talk to me about it. But that is it for the student as far as submitting. Now it's submitted, the teacher will get the message, and I just wait.